One-offs. What is the value of a one-off? We're going to talk about that today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question and I get to help you find an answer. Now today's show is brought to us by mycleaningconnection.com, which has a calendar of events. So if you are a house cleaner and you want to find out all the different ways that you can participate in social media marketing for your house cleaning business, there's a list of all the different ways you can do that through the house cleaning associations. There's also a list of different conferences and trade shows and expos that are coming up for house cleaners. And also there are training sessions like webinars that are on that list of calendar of events. So mycleaningconnection.com/calendar. Alrighty, on to today's show, which is about one-offs. Okay, so what is a one-off? A one-off is a customer who hires you with the intention of hiring you for multiple cleanings. And then after that one cleaning, you never hear from them again and they never call you back. So the question is, how do I turn one-offs into regular ongoing customers? It's an excellent question, and it is one that needs to be addressed because, here's the thing, if a customer hires you with the intention of hiring you for multiple cleanings and they only have you for one of two things is happening. Number one, they either lied, they were just trying to get a one-time cleaning and they thought you'd do a better job, or they thought that you would give them a better price if they said they wanted multiple cleanings. Or the second thing is they really did want multiple cleanings and you did not live up to the expectations. So it's one of those two things. So how do you turn one-offs into regular customers? Okay, when you come to a customer's house and you do an initial walkthrough, and you have to do an initial walkthrough whether it's a one-time cleaning or whether it's a multiple cleaning. If you're going to come back for 6 years, you have to do the same walkthrough that you do if you're only going to come one time. You have to know what the hot buttons are of the customer and what exactly they want you to do, and then you have to come to terms and agreements. All right, so the catch is it's way easier to keep a one-off inside your database and keep massaging and working that client even if they only wanted you for one time. Okay, so here's how that works. When you go to a customer's house, make very clear what your intentions are. I would love to be your regular house cleaner. Are you looking for regular house cleaning or are you looking for a one-time cleaning? And if they say, no, this is only a one-time cleaning, because some customers and clients will tell you that, great, let's do the very best job we can for you on this one cleaning. What exactly are you looking for? When you do your initial walkthrough, what's happening in the back of their mind is they say, oh, this person actually does do regular cleaning. And they're trying to weigh and measure, do I need cleaning on a regular basis and can my budget afford it? When they see what your rules and regulations are, and they see where your boundaries are, and they see that you've set realistic expectations and you have an affordable price, they might discover by the time you're done talking that they would like to hire you on a retainer for a regular cleaning. Now, if it is only one time, here's how to work that. At the end of your cleaning, you're not done. You're never done. You just auditioned for the job. And so at the end of your one-time cleaning or your one-off, that's your audition. And now you have to ask for the sale. It's a sales pitch. Yes, it is. We're always selling. Okay, so here's how that works. At the end, say this: I know this is only a one-time cleaning for you, but I would love to keep you posted. And in the event that I ever have a cancellation or an opening, I would like to give you first right of refusal. Would that be okay? And most of the time they'll say, yeah. I mean, who knows? I may need another cleaning. You're not guaranteeing them anything and they're not guaranteeing you anything. All you're saying is if I have a cancellation, I will give you the courtesy of you saying yes or no. And if you want that time slot, you've already seen my work, you've already paid me for today and you're happy with today's work. Now I don't have to do that walkthrough again. So when I come back to your house, we pick up right where we left off and you don't even have to be here. You can just tell me where the key is. I'll come and I'll do exactly what we did today and bingo, you're good to go. And then they think in their head, wow, I just got an amazing cleaning at an amazing price. I can't afford that every week or every other week. But yeah, if there's a cancellation and it's every couple of months, I would love to have you give me a call. And so then you put that person in your database and you follow up with them regularly. Now, there will be cancellations. It's part of the job. It's part of the job. Everybody, everywhere at some time has a cancellation. So then you have this list. It's a waiting list of people that are one-off customers. And you contact the first person on the list and you go down the list until someone says yes. Now, if you do this properly, literally within a matter of 5 or 6 minutes after a cancellation, you will be booked. And that time slot will be filled with somebody that you already know, that already trusts you, and they know the quality of work that you provide. So that is how you turn that person into an ongoing customer. Now, you can always ask them at the end. I know that you said today was only a one-time cleaning, but I was curious, how often would you like your house cleaned? Is it possible that you would consider our service before you choose another service? So before you choose a regular house cleaning, if it's not today and it's not next week or next month and it's somewhere down in the future, will you give me the courtesy of calling my company first? And if they say no, I would never call you again, that's really great information. You've already got your money for today. You've already cleaned their house for today. You don't have the customer, so it's not like you have anything to lose. Certainly ask them, what is it that I could do differently to improve my cleaning so that I don't run into this again? Because there are people that won't tell me, but you seem like the kind of person that's honest and upfront and you want me to succeed. Will you share with me what I can do differently so that I can improve my business? And a lot of times when the customer gives you feedback, they're investing in your business, right? When somebody gives you their data, they are investing in you. Now they have more of an invested interest in the outcome of what you've just requested. And so when you do call them for a one-off, for example, then what happens is they say, oh, yeah. And they think in the back of their mind, I helped her become a better business person. Sure, I want to see what she can do to implement those new changes at my house. So the question is always ask, because you have nothing to lose. If you don't ask for the sale and you walk away, that one-off is nothing more than a one-off. They're gone. You spent all that time doing the walkthrough. You spent all the time doing the cleaning. You got your money. Your time is gone. Your money is gone. You got nothing. You have to start the whole entire cycle all over again. But if you have a list of 20 or 30 or 50 callbacks, and this happens because as your business grows, the longer you've been in business, the longer that list gets. And when you have a list of 50 people that are one-offs, and now they become 2-offs and 10-offs, and we've had lots of customers that are random customers, and they never get a call except when we have a cancellation. And then what happens is sometimes they'll call us and say, hey, I haven't heard from you in a while, but my house needs cleaning. Can you come over and do another cleaning? And so instead of us going through the whole sales cycle all over again, we just massage this list. And we treat this list with kid gloves and we treat it with care, because this saves us from reinventing the wheel every single time we have an opening. Alrighty, anyway, that's my 2 cents for today, and that is how you deal with one-offs. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.